Here's how to fix Valorant critical error has occurred message. First, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Expand the Display Adapters section and locate your graphics card. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers and make sure you're running the latest available graphics driver. If your driver is already up to date, close the window and move on to the next method. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Settings, and launch it. From the left panel, select Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Running the latest version of Windows can often resolve the Valorant critical error. Once all updates have been installed, close the Settings window. Now open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Type msconfig and press Enter. Open the Services tab, then check Hide all Microsoft services. Scroll through the list until you find VGC and make sure it remains checked. After that, click Disable All. Once you've done that, click Apply and then OK. Windows will ask you to restart your computer later, but for now you can simply close the prompt and continue with the next step. Next, return to the Start menu, search for Services, and open it. Scroll down until you find the VGC service, then double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic and make sure the service status is set to Running. If it isn't running, start the service. Then click Apply, followed by OK. After that, open the Start menu again, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, netsh winsock reset, and press Enter to run it. Then type the next command, ipconfig /flushdns, and press Enter once again. After both commands have completed, close the Command Prompt window. Finally, locate your Valorant shortcut or executable, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as an administrator are both enabled. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now restart your computer so all of the changes take effect. Once your PC starts back up, launch Valorant again. The critical error message should now be resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.